Hey, Stephen here with a new video for the DIY guide. In this one I'm going to show you how to make simple album art videos for your tracks, which you can upload to YouTube and Facebook, etc. So I realised recently that I haven't been utilising my band's YouTube channel to its full potential, as I've got a lot of tracks that we've done in the past that are just not on there. And if you know me, I like to have my music available everywhere for everyone. So with that in mind, I'm going to take a bit of time to make some really simple videos, which will basically consist of the album artwork as the visual, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. But before that,
subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.
So let me first say, if you didn't know by the title of the video, this is all about doing this on an Apple Mac with iMovie, but I will recommend some alternatives later on. So as I said, I'm going to be using iMovie for this, which is free if you have an Apple Mac. If you haven't already got it, just head over to the App Store and download it. Okay, once it's installed, we can jump right in. Open iMovie and making sure that the Project tab is selected, hit Create and then select Movie. As you can see, we have the Media and Project selections on the top left, the Movie Preview on the right and the Timeline at the bottom. Okay, hit the Import Media button and locate your album artwork. Repeat this step for your music track. You can also drag your media into the window if that's easier. Now drag the artwork onto the timeline, it should slot right into place. After that, do the same for the music track, but drop that right underneath the artwork. Okay, now adjust the slider underneath the preview window so we can see the entire timeline within the window. We need to make sure the artwork is displayed for the duration of the music track. So click on the artwork in the timeline and you should now be able to click on its right side and drag it all the way over to the right so it stretches to the end of the track. Okay, now we're ready to create our movie file. Click on the share button on the top left. I would suggest choosing the file option at this point so we have something that can be shared to multiple places later on, if you change your mind. But do think about using the YouTube or Facebook option if that's any easier for you. Okay, in the pop-up that now appears, rename the movie to the name of your track and then click on Next. Choose somewhere to save your movie and then click on Save. You'll be notified when it's finished rendering and then you can go ahead and upload it to wherever you like. You're done. So alternatives, if you don't have a Mac but you have an iPhone, you can actually access iMovie on the iPhone as an app and you can do it that way. Or say you've got Windows, you can download a piece of software called Windows Movie Maker. It's a piece of software that used to come bundled with the Windows operating systems back in the day. Now it's a separate download. I'll pop the link down below. It's basically just follow the same principles as I did with iMovie. It's quite simple, but I will do a movie about that later on. And that's it. Hopefully that helped in some small way and now you're able to go away and make your own album art videos. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you next time with another DIY musician guide. Bye.